However, like I said, I might have to restart this, but every time we restart, we're going to take something new away from it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, do I have to watch this whole cutscene? When we first met him. He told us that he had been fighting with his friends and all that, and that they had left him all alone. We're watching the cutscene, boys. Hey, look. It's a little Cheeto. They look like Cheeto Puffs, but like one's grape flavored and the other one's like vanilla. Oh, they're scared. Dude, what a sound. The best part is I am now recording audio. I'm so happy. That should be the end of that. Oh, never mind. I can't get copyright. All right, yeah. He's drawing. I'm gonna talk over this to try and avoid as much of the music playing as I can. I'm sure it was because he was always playing tricks, so nobody wanted to play with him. But to do what he did just because of that,